Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, mamaya sa Grid Channel, a faith healer, also matider. So ngayong hapon, natatayo na natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of July 17 hanggang July 23 for the sign of Sagittarius. So Sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Sagittarius. So let's watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mga hagilap? So ito na, tutuklasin na tayo, hihimay-himay natin yan. At alamin na natin yan, ito na. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Okay, there's a Knight of Cups with an offer, proposal, engagement, or something apology. Oh my goodness. Now may darating daw na offer dito guys. Let's see. Ano pang additional messages? So this is something Knight of Wands. So slowly but surely, no? Mabagal bang eksena na to pero sigurado. No, kaya maghintay. There's a 3 of Wands more waiting for a soul, waiting for a ship. Na darating na yung hinihintay nyo. There's a something an offer. Na matagal na itong hinintay mo. No, matagal na itong ano na to, na matagal mo na itong hinintay but eventually ngayon mangyayari na. There's a the Sun card. See, there's a something of your positive outcome. So magiging something, ano to, kumbaga yung perseverance or yung mga pagtsatsaga mo sa paghihintay, maaring ito na yun, no? This is something a success, no? Coming in for you. And this is a judgment. Now, this is something a wake of call or inner calling that you need to pay attention kung ano yung nangyayari sa paligid mo. No? There's something, the Ace of Pentacles with a big shot or big money coming in for you. May malaking opportunity darating sa buhay mo, malaking pera, no? So, let's see additional messages with the Knight of Cups. What is the Knight of Cups represent what? So, there's just something Five of Wands. Now, there's just something complications, competitors. Now, may mga bagay o sitwasyon ka dito na maaari na pupunta ka sa alanganing situation. But eventually, it's an offer for you, no? To fight, no? Your right. Or to fight your karapatan. Your rights nga, no? So, let's see what is the Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands represents the Eight of Pentacles. So, there's just something focus, no? Being dedicated sa ginagawa mo. Kaya kailangan, kumbaga, tumutok ka, no? Huwag ka magpapalinlang sa kanila. Huwag ka magpapagulo. No? Kumbaga, mabagal man yung pag-usad mo, but eventually, sigurado ka, no? Na maaaring makuha mo yung mga bagay na yan. Kumbaga, at least nandun ka sa process and progress. No? Let's see what is the 3 of Wands. So, there's a 5 of Swords by self-sabotage, no? Kumbaga, dahil sa paghihintay mo, no, nitong opportunity na to, minsan, kumbaga, napanghihinaan ka ng loob. Yung nagbibigay ng self-sabotage dito. Dahil minsan dyan part na sumuko ka na. Excuse me. May mga bagay dito na parang bumitaw ka na sa kakaantay. Ano kaya yan? So, let's see what is the Sun card. So, this is something a 5 of Pentacles with a financial crisis or financial loss. Now, mag-ingat ka, no, pagdating sa mga investments. Maaring maibit ka sa situations. Now, there's something lost about sa finances, no? It's either lumaki yung gastos mo o may malaking perang mawala, no? There's a Page of Wands by the good news. May magandang balita do, or either may paalala lang sa'yo na pinapaalalahanan ka with the judgment na you need to pay attention sa nangyayari about sa investment na yan. This is something a Page of Wands with the good news. Kapag nakuha mo na, huwag ka na ulit sumugal pa. Now, there's something Ace of Pentacles with the Knight of Swords. Now, with the success driven, na magsasuccess ka at the end of the time. So, this is a lot of money, no, coming in for you. Additional messages with the Knight of Cups and the 5 of Wands. represent the Eight of Swords. Now, there's just a lot of toxicities around you. There's a lot of negativities around you. Be aware, guys, ha. Hindi lahat ng offer tinatanggap kasi yung iba dyan may ipit ka na sa situation. So this is of Nine of Wands and the Eight of Pentacles represent the King of Pentacles with the security. Na maging secure ka pagdating sa finances and good sense pagdating sa finances, no? Kailangan maging mautak, maging practical. So let's see what is the Three of Wands and of course the Five of Swords. There's the Empress card for revert. Now, there's something fertility din. Na baka naghihintay ka na magbuntis ka. Baka ito na yung opportunity na yon. Na baka naghihintay ka na magkaroon ng bagong negosyo. Ito na yon. Now, there's something a new beginning here. There's an Eight of Cups with the let go. Napakawala may mga bad habit. No, iwasan mo magsugal. No, mayroon ako sugal na nasiset dito na maaring malaking maitalo mo dito. The Judgment of the Page of Wands represent the King of Swords with the Subdiffer. No? May mga bagay na kailangan putulin ka dito. Alisin, yung mga bagay na walang kaugnayan sa'yo. Yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi magsaserve sa'yo. Iwasan mo. Pinapaalalahanan ka dito na malalaman tumutong balita na to. Ngayon pala maging mautat awais ka na. And the Ace of Pentacles and the Knight of Swords represent the Seven of Swords. He's cheating, lying on you. Snake na, sinungaling. No, manloloko, manggagamit. No, maaaring itong bagay na to ay kumbaga about sa pera. Mag-ingat ka. Baka may mangutang sa'yo, lumapit sa'yo, or either makapasok ka sa investment. Mag-ingat ka. Na may maaaring may babala sa'yo. There's a Six of Pentacles. There's a give receiving something by the universe. No, magtutuloy-tuloy about sa finances for you. No, so sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a something give receiving something by the universe. At the same time, there's a chart card with you need to take an action for this. No, and of course, there's a Queen of Swords of bigger picture. Lagi mo tinitingnan dapat dito yung posibilidad. Huwag kang tumitingin sa, kumbaga, huwag kang tumitingin sa mga bagay na alam mong hindi ka sigurado. No, kumbaga, there's just something, parang ano siya no, parang matatalinhagan salita, sales talk. Mag-ingat ka. Additional messages about sa career. Career and of course finances represent what? So there's the full card, no? There's a new beginning and of course the Queen of Pentacles. Basta sinasabi dito magnegosyo ka, no? Kailangan na hawak mo at control mo. And this is the Death card for a transformation pagdating sa finances or something sa career. Additional messages about sa love life. Sa love life mo, there's a Magician for manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti ka na ma-manifest. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na may sasakatuparan. There's a Six of Wands where victory is yours, no? Kumaga magtatagumpay ka talaga dito. Additional messages. There's a Ten of Pentacles. So there's a long-term success and long-term investment. Pagdating sa love life mo, kumbaga ipapanalo mo to pang matagalan to. No? Matatagpuan mo yung taong para sa'yo talaga. There's a something infinity. Upper layer of the head, no? So, of course, there's something on the health with the Six of Swords that makakaalis ka na sa situation, no? Parang nabunutan ka na ng tinik, no? Parang ganon. At magiging maayos ang pakiramdam mo with reverse where everything is fine. And there's something Ten of Wands, no? Matatapos na yung burden, matatapos na yung obligations dito. Matatapos na yung mga utang-utang, matatapos na yung problema, ha? So, let's see what is additional messages with the money move oracle deck. Now, this is a money reading and of course career reading. Let's see and watch this. And there's a past changes. No? May malaking pagbabago na mabilis. Mabilis ang pagbabago to. There's a take bold step forward. Now, this is a things happen suddenly in a short period and hurry. No? Kumaga mabilis ang pagbabago eh. No? And at the same time, there's a fertility. I told you, may pagbubuntis talaga dito. There's just something, it's either pagbubuntis or either bagong negosyo or bagong career, no? Additional messages. And there's just something savings, no? See, I told you. There's just something savings, no? Kumbaga mag-save ka ng pera or kumbaga mag-ipon ka or mag-invest ka for you, no? For yourself, no? Kailangan mag-ingat ka, no? Sa mga transactions, no? So let's see what is Romance Angels for Mystic Love Oracle deck. No, anong chika sa'yo ng ating mga gabay for love life? So let's see. And because there's something a twin flame, no? Twin flame kind of person mo. There's something divine connections. And there is something, spiritual awakening. Pares kayong mamumulat with realizations. At the same time, there is a romance feeling. So, talagang iisa lang talaga yung nararamdaman nyo. Ay, taray. Totoo ba? So, let's see. What is the synchronicities? Let's see what is the synchronicities. And there's a storm, no? May unos dito. Susubukin kayong bayuhin ng eksena dito, no? There's a something Empress card for revert and fertility talaga. Meron talaga magbubuntis dito or mayroon talagang bagong negosyo or bagong trabaho, no? Or may baka mag-ampon kayo, no? And there's a something, oh my God, there's a something, a formula. No, there's a something problem solving, no? Masusolusyonan na yung mga problema nyo. Power! So, let's see what is additional messages for magical fairy messages. And there's a summer. Now, this is summer season na maaring masagot na lahat ng mga katanungan nyo sa buhay nyo. And there's a something, admit your truth of feelings to yourself. Na maging totoo ka sa sarili mo. No, iwasan mo mag-pretend, iwasan mong magpanggap, iwasan mong magtago, no? Ng sarili, ng nararamdaman, there's an avoidance. Umiwas ka sa mga bagay na alam mong hindi makakatulong sa'yo. And there's a self-worth. Na alam mo dapat sa sarili mo yung halaga mo. And there is a purpose. No? Makikita mo na yung life purpose mo dito. Makikita mo na kung anong halaga mo sa buhay, halaga mo sa mundo, halaga mo sa taong kasama mo. Angels answer messages, what? There's a yes, no? Ang sagot sa mga katanungan mo ay yes. And there is an unlikely. May mga bagay na hindi mo magugustuhan, no? May mga bagay na hindi nila magugustuhan. But eventually, there's a choose new direction. Kailangan pumili ng mga bagong direksyon. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Archangel Michael messages. There's an prayer will help you from your situation, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo ng tulong ng, kailangan mo magdasal at kailangan mo ng tulong ating Archangel para makalis ka sa situation. And there's something, spend more time outdoors. My God, ang daming ha? Grabe naman tong, ng Sagittarius. Ang bigat ng puro hangin. My God. Let's see what is the energy. Puro kayo mga may nararamdaman guys. Ang bigat na nararamdaman ko today. No, dahil dito, ang bigat dito sa reading nyo. And there is something Corkinepia. Kailangan fruit and vegetable, guys, And there is just possibilities na may mga pinto ang magsasara, may mga pinto ang opportunity na magbubukas para sa'yo. And there's a second siya, Archangel Uriel, about sa finances. No? Tutulungan ka daw ng ating Archangel Michael for finances. For romance, angel, service, and what? Pagdating sa relasyon, pag-ibig. There's a finances and career. May kinalaman about sa finances and career talaga, guys. No? Connected talaga ang love life and career mo. There's a flirt. Kailangan mo harating yung person mo if you were married. No? If you were single, kailangan mo humarap. So, let's see what is the chakra messages. And there's an isolation. You're feeling stuck. No? Kumbaga, feeling mo naka-isolate ka sa isang situation. Na feeling mo hindi ka makakilos, hindi ka makagalaw. There's a joy, magiging maligaya ka as soon as possible. There's an instinct, no? Pangawakan mo kung ano yung gut feeling mo. Kung ano yung something visions mo dito. Tama yung hinala mo dito, guys. For Monsology, represent what? Nothing is yet set in stone. So, may mga bagay na hindi pa napapanahon. Nothing will come in this situation. No? Kailangan mo mag-take ng action kung gusto mo makalis sa situation mo. And there's a work through your fears. No? Labanan mo ang takot at pangamba mo dito. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. So, there's a movement. No? Kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw talaga. There's something yellow by flexibilities. No? Kailangan flexible ka sa lahat na nangyayari sa buhay mo. Marunong ka dapat tumanggap ng, kumbaga, advices, no? Lessons. And there's an angel for support by guidance. No? Sinusupport at ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit. And there's something, a transformation with the magic. No? Unti-unti na magbabago ang eksena ngayon. And there's an enlightenment with divinity. Na maliliwanagan ka sa lahat na nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon. Oh my God, puro kayo lamig guys Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a failure, guys, no? May mga pagkakamali or may mga kamalian ka na gusto mong itama, but this is an opportunity to learn. Kailangan mo matutunan, kailangan mo maranasan lahat ng mga pagkakamali na yan. There's something doubt. Alisin mo tong ano na to, yung pagdadalawang isip, no? Pag-aalilangan na sumubok ng mga opportunities sa buhay mo. So let's see what is the additional messages for Arcangel Raphael. So this is something improving health. No? Mag-i-improve na rin yung health mo, guys. At the same time, there's something, do more research, no? Kailangan mong alamin pa yung mga makakatulong pagdating sa health issues mo. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's an option, see? There's something choices. Kailangan mong alamin pa, tuklasin pa yung mga bagay-bagay na makakatulong sa'yo. There's something leadership, no? Take charge of your situation. Na kaya mong pamunuan, kaya mong gumawa ng action sa sarili mo, no? Additional messages with an angel spirit. So there's a water your garden with address and tenderness. No? Kailangan mong alagaan yung katawan mo, sarili mo, no? Kailangan mo magpahinga. There's something stark brother with protections, na you are being protected na ating mga angel spirit. And there's a trust, kailangan mo magtiwala, no? And there's something starbating with the activations, no? Kumaga may mga bagay na nag-activate na sa'yo, kaya may mga bagay na mag-enlighten sa buhay mo. No? Maliliwanagan ka, kaya pala ganito kasi may ganun palang ibig sabihin. Kaya pala ganito kasi may darating pala. Kumaga unti-unti mong nare-realize lahat na nangyayari sa buhay mo ay may dahilan. So our Jesus loving quote said, knock and shall be open to you. No, kumakatok na ang ating Panginoon sa iyong harapan, no? Pagbuksan mo na. No, kumbaga kailangan mong matuto at matuklasan na may mensahe sa iyo na gustong ipabatid sa iyo ang ating angel spirit. For angels number represent what? So there's 11 by 44 by high vibes, no? Divine intervention. May paalala sa iyo ang ating divine love or other happiness lurks just around the corner. It will be something much better in your wildest dream. A rare opportunities and exciting encounter with like-minded people will exceed your expectations, no? Kumaga magtiwala ka at maniwala ka sa lahat ng ginagawa mo na magtatagumpay ka sa larangan na pinangahawakan mo. So may mga bagay dyan na etong opportunity na dumarating sa buhay mo or may mga bagay na ginagawa ka, alam mo sa sarili mo na makakatulong at magagawa mo in the perfect timing. Kumbaga, lahat ng mga bagay na yan, alam mo, isa ikabubuti mo at may ikauunlad ng sarili mo. Go for it, no? Basta, lagi mo pakakatandaan na manaling, manampalataya, at kailangan mo magdasal na mailayo ka sa mga pahamakan at hindi magagandang pangyayari sa buhay mo. So, let's see what is the messages of life. I connect with the heaven, no? At sinasabi dito today, I turn inwards and connect with the heaven within. No? From this place of peace, I can see that situation I have resented and actually an idea and opportunity to work on inner self. I understand that such an experience is unnecessary for my growth. Thus, I accept such situations and now live each day in serenity, no? Kung mag-alam mo sa sarili mo na konektado ang buhay mo sa ating Panginoon, no? Alam mo kasi sa sarili mo na may pananampalataya at tiwala ka sa Kanya na lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay mo ay may ibig sabihin. No, papalayaan ka ng mga worries mo, lahat ng mga failures na naranasan mo, alam mo na may mga bagay na matututunan ka, no? And there's an old that is, sinasabi dito today, I noticed the love that powers of all life. I see that each tiny part of the universe is an expression of the love. I am aware of the presence of God in all things. I open myself on the magic. I marvel the splendor of all that is, on which I am truly afford. So see, kumbaga naniniwala ka sa magic or sa power na binigay sa'yo ng universe. Na alam mo sa sarili mo na lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon ay may dahilan na talagang, kumbaga, maliit man yan o malaki ay kasama yan sa pagdadaanan mo talaga, sa buhay na tatahakin mo. Na alam mo sa nangyayari sa yung madilim na part, alam mo, darating yung araw na magiging maliwanag din yan at the end of the time. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of July 17 hanggang July 23 for the sign of Sagittarius. So Sagi, Maraming salamat for your wonderful reading. This reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kundi lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagaw. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manabalik sa inyo at maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!